Day 5, this is where it starts to get tricky. I'm shaping the main body today, and I didn't have a huge amount of time, but I needed to start blocking out the main shell to understand how this geometry actually wants to flow. Right now, none of this is final. There's still a lot of shaping and refinement to come later, but this stage is more about conceptualizing the flow of the surfaces, how the curves transition, how the body flares over the wheel, and how everything connects before I commit to cleaner topology. Eventually, I want subtle seams and indentations, especially where the glass meets the metal. I'm imagining a thin rubber layer there, something functional that absorbs shock and makes the design feel grounded. But for today, I focused on this wheel arch area, getting that flair to feel intentional instead of random.